Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we are exploring VOO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 23rd of January, 2025, and we are here now to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be viewed as financial advice. Since the 13th of January, 2025, our system has ranked VOO as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.38. Now let's examine the exchange-traded fund's performance during this time frame. The ETF has experienced a gain of 4.89%. This translates to an average return of 0.61% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is positioned in the upper segment of a weak rising trend in the short term. This scenario often presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $564.56 would initially signal a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 2.06% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 2.54% to positive 2.77%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 22.42% over the next year, with a potential return between 14.50% and 25.36%. This translates to a price range between $641.99 and $702.91 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, Green Day on Thursday for VOO. The VOO ETF price gained approximately 0.554% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 23rd of January, 2025. The price rose from $557.61 to $560.70. This marks a consecutive gain over 4 days. It will be interesting to observe whether this upward trend continues or if there will be a slight pause in the next few days. On the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 0.7%, with a low of $556.80 and a high of $560.70. The price has increased in 8 out of the last 10 days and has risen by 3.56% over the past 2 weeks. Volume also saw an uptick, with 1 million more shares traded compared to the previous day, totaling 6 million shares exchanged for approximately $3.46 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $560.70, while the lowest price reached $443.75. The ETF price is now at an all-time high. The S&P 500 has achieved its first record close of 2025, signaling a strong bullish sentiment in the market. This milestone comes as investor confidence is bolstered by President Trump's remarks at the World Economic Forum, alongside a resilient economy and easing inflation rates. Notably, strong corporate earnings reports, including Netflix's impressive results, have also contributed to this upward trajectory. In addition to this, the CNN Money Fear and Greed Index indicates an improving sentiment in the market, although it remains in the fear zone, suggesting that caution may still linger among investors. Analysts predict a potential short-term pullback. However, the overall outlook remains optimistic, with forecasts suggesting the S&P 500 could target levels between 6,400 to 6,500. These developments are likely to have both short and long-term impacts on VOO, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. In the short term, the record close and favorable market sentiment could drive increased buying activity, boosting VOO's price. Over the long term, sustained economic growth and positive corporate earnings could solidify VOO's attractiveness as a core investment, potentially attracting more investors looking for exposure to the broader U.S. equity market. This combination of factors underscores the importance of VOO as a strategic option for investors navigating the current market landscape. The following signals have been identified for VOO. The chart today reveals predominantly positive signals. The VOO exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a favorable outlook for the fund. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support is expected at $549.53 and $548.80. A dip below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Friday, January 10, 2025, and thus far, the price has increased by 5.02%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 9 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 2 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 116 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO finds support from accumulated volume at $538.87, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with it is considered very low. Over the last day, the fund moved $3.90 between its high and low, which is a change of 0.7%. For the past week, the fund has experienced a daily average volatility of 0.598%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the exchange-traded fund could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine the optimal exit point. On the downside, VOO encounters its first support level at $538.87. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $536.06, reflecting a decrease of 4.39%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily movements, which translates to minimal risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom that was identified 8 days ago. Is the VOO exchange-traded fund a wise investment? Multiple short-term indicators, coupled with a generally favorable trend, suggest a positive outlook. We believe the current price level presents a potential buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the VOO ETF to perform well in the near future. Upon reviewing the volatility and market movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 24th of January, we anticipate that VOO will open lower by $1.30, with an initial trading price of $559.40. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding buying or selling securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.